Alright y'all, so I'm back out here with this Tyro99. I have a 1300 milliamp hour graphene battery. This one has a lower C rating, 85C. But I have these Gemfan 5152s. And so we're going to test this out with the Gemfan props on here, tri-blades. Uh-oh, something's touching. Wow, so these Gemfans are a little longer. It doesn't clear the front. You see? Nope, it doesn't clear the front. So you can't use Gemfans on here. Just barely though. I'm gonna try to take off with it anyway. It's just that little notch on the front of the props that's touching. Hopefully that's not enough to disturb the gyro and all, but let's try. It looks like it definitely helps the punch. So let's do a hard punch out, see what happens. Wow, but I'm getting good results from these props for sure, and the stock props as well. Check out this punch out. It's really awesome punch out and speed and all. These Gemfans don't really fit. The tips of them are touching. I was going to try to power loop that gate there. Rich, power loop line of sight. The sun was in my eyes there. Let's see if I can get a power loop line of sight right here. Too far away. So this thing is no slouch at all. Somebody asked me if I recommend this. I definitely recommend this for sure. Definitely. It's fast, especially with these tri-blades on it. And this graphene battery does perform a little better than a normal battery. Listen, you can hear these props clicking. Wow, and it looks like one of the screws here are vibrating out. So this thing is having a problem with the screws coming out. So maybe some Loctite will keep these screws in. And I lost a screw on the bottom of it. I should have Loctite all of these screws here. This screw, I don't know if you guys can see right through there. But one of the arms, the screw and the nut on top just vibrated completely off it. But I haven't had any problems with it vibrating or anything like that. It's been flying really nice. These Gemfans seem like they adjusted to it. Maybe those little tips came off. So awesome quad here. Just needs a buzzer and a better camera maybe. That's all we're going to do. Let's bring this little guy back. And I got the motor stop on here, so the props stop pretty fast when it stops immediately actually when you disarm. And so pretty awesome little flyer here. Awesome little 99 build, the Tyro 99. Thanks for watching.